car insurance for today's edition of The Law and You. Joining us once again, attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Saramboli. Guys, it's a pleasure to see you today.
We're just happy Greg's back after the KISS concert.
I'm surprised he made it out of there alive.
He was going to go on tour.
Well, good to have you guys back in the legal chairs. Here's our question today. It involves car insurance, and this is from Bill in Pocono Mountain. He says, I just moved to Pennsylvania and have to buy automobile insurance. What is the difference between full and limited tort and under and uninsured motorist coverage? Now, I've always heard limited tort is just a no-no altogether. Is that the case?
Bill, whether you're in Pocono Mountain or Hazleton or Freeland or Scranton, wherever you are, stop. Everybody out there, stop signing up for limited tort. The only people that are making money on that are your insurance company. It limits your right to sue if you're involved in a motor vehicle collision. Whether that collision is, the fault of somebody else or doesn't matter, it limits your ability and other people in your household to get compensation for your injuries. It's devastating. I can't tell you how many times we reject cases because people are limited tort and we just can't help them. So it does cost a little bit more money to have full tort, but when you're injured in an automobile accident, it's well worth it. And let Greg talk a little bit about under and uninsured motorist coverage, but the limited tort is just awful.
Well, and the reason the guy's asking is he's from out of state, and you got to understand that in different states, this is called a threshold issue. Not all states have it, so that's the basis of the question. And again, what happens is Pennsylvania has put this limited tort option out there for people, which is a bad idea. Under and uninsured motorist coverage is real simple. Uninsured is if you're hit by a driver with no insurance. Underinsured is if you're hit by somebody who has some insurance, like your $15,000 state minimums, and you're really hurt, you have to protect yourself and have underinsured. So it's always full tort, under and uninsured motorist coverage, and you'll be protected if you're in any wrecks.
It just sounds like trying to save a couple of bucks isn't worth it in this case.
Penny wise and pound foolish, you really are.
All right, for legal advice, if you need the help of our attorneys, what's the best way for our viewers to reach you guys?
Call us at 570-714-HURT. They can see us on the web at 714hurt.com.
Or go to our Facebook page. And we always say this, if you have an automobile insurance question and you're a Pennsylvania resident and you have a deck page, put it on there and we'll answer those questions in 5 minutes. We don't charge you a dime because last thing we want to see is somebody not have the right coverage for them and their families.
All right, good deal. Results matter with attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Saramboli. Gentlemen, thanks so much.
See you tomorrow.
All right, PAHomepage.com or the hotline, your best places to submit a question to The Law and You.